Did you know a massive slave rebellion almost destroyed the most powerful empire on earth, and most people have never heard of it? In the 800s, the Abbasid Caliphate was at its peak. Baghdad was the center of science, poetry, and philosophy. Scholars mapped the stars. Mathematicians invented algebra. The world called it a golden age. But far to the south, in the salt marshes of Iraq, hundreds of thousands of enslaved East Africans were doing brutal labor under a burning sun, digging salt, hauling earth, working until their bodies gave out. In 869 AD, a man named Ali ibn Muhammad gave them a reason to fight back. What followed was not a small uprising. The rebels captured Basra, one of the largest cities in the Caliphate. They built their own capital. They held territory for 14 years. The Abbasid army lost battle after battle trying to stop them. The Golden Age was real, but it was built on something the history books rarely mention. The people at the bottom almost burned it all down.